Can you crawl for me, Elliot, please? Because you were crawling today? Thanks, Elliot. Thanks for listening. Thanks for listening. Look at that. There you go, crawling. Good job, baby girl. You're crawling. Yay. Good job, Elliot.
Professor Wiseman's Exacta is excellent. Easy to use. Accurate. So, any questions?
We only have one question.
Elliot. Hi. Can you crawl? Crawl to Dean. There you go. Crawl. Good job. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Dean. Oh, look at her crawling away. Oh my gosh. Good job, Elliot. Uh-oh. Here comes Elliot, Dean. Here comes Elliot. Look at her crawling.
Please stand by.
Uh-oh, Elliot. Okay, you gonna get Dean now? No? She wants